flight right there. That delayed flight? Yep, that's my flight. It sucks. Having a delayed flight of 6.5 hours, not optimal. However, whatever gets me home, and I'll take it.
Oh, it's been fun. Not real fun.
Not real fun? What do you mean not real fun? You're gonna be in Taiwan, you're gonna be like, damn, I wish Teen was here so we can make stupid jokes. But I digress. It's been fun, yeah. I'll ship you your bag at some point.
Yeah, or I'll pick it up. I don't need it anytime soon. So.
Okay.
Safe travels, bud.
You safe travels. Have fun in Taiwan.
Your 36-hour flights from Mayo.
It's gonna be s***ed, but yeah.
I'm in. Take it easy.
See you, buddy. Safe travels. I have 300,000 dong to spend at the airport now. Let's see what I can buy. Got some instant coffee for Pops, some dark chocolate for Mom, and then some candies for the Dub Boys and some candies for the Waterloo Boys. Yesterday, going from Da Nang to Ho Chi Minh, we met another Frisbee player who is teammates with Jason Christian, who I played against when I was playing Waterloo and he was playing Public Enemy. So it was kind of crazy that I ran into one of his teammates because he's in Switzerland. So it was kind of funny. I've met two ultimate people this trip. Having my last pho here in Vietnam. So good. But yeah, traveling with Dane has been nice. You know, we just months spent together. He only got mad at me once. And that was because I was talking-ish about his pull-up ability slash him making double wide back in the day. He got really mad at me, but it was only for a couple hours, so. And I kind of egged it on a little bit, so it's understandable. But overall, it was great. I mean, a lot of laughs. He did a lot of the translating and a lot of the haggling, which was super clutch. And so for that, I appreciate it. And he drove the Hajong Loop, so that was also really nice. But yeah, I feel like normally when you travel with someone for a month, you could like butt heads a little bit here and there. But for the most part, it was pretty chill on us too, which was pretty nice. You see how confident I was with those chopsticks? Crazy how much a month can change you. Got a row all to myself on this 2-hour flight to Hong Kong, so that's pretty clutch. Hong Kong now, got through security, and yeah, now I have 5 hours here in the Hong Kong airport. But yeah, I'm gonna miss the bidets. A lot of bidets in Vietnam, pretty nice. Public bathrooms, every bathroom really, there was a bidet. It was pretty neat. I'm gonna miss the pho. Pho was really good. I'm gonna miss how cheap everything was. Alrighty, we're ordering Popeyes right now in the Hong Kong airport. I'm just gonna go with the chicken sandwich and hope it's the same. It's 6:45 and my flight doesn't leave till 10:30. So I still have 3 hours and some change. But I wanted to say some lowlights was getting food poisoning. That was pretty rough, especially before the Hajong Loop. And then probably the biggest lowlight was losing my GoPro. Oh, it's so shitty. It's so bad. The footage on there was so sick. It would have been so sick. if I just had listened to Dane, or just not jumped into the water with my GoPro, but whatever. The highlights though, Hajang Loop, Bang Biang was sick. I really liked Ninh Binh. Hoi An was really cool, especially because of, you know, we had like a little posse going from Hue to Hoi An. You know, me, Sean, Dane, Georgina, and Joram. So, yeah, and then Hoi An itself was really cool because just all the tailoring shops, and it's a cute little quainty town. But yeah, I have 3 hours left, so I think that's gonna be it for the vlog.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us.